See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wine her. She be money on my place.
Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by Sam's Beauty. So thank you so much, Sam's, for sending over this wig. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, you guys, so before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl. And yeah, let's get into this new wig. This one is from the Stylist. It's their Swiss lace silk top lace wig, which means you'll be able to part it on the left, the center, or on the right. It does have a 4x4 closure, and this wig is called Rapunzel. I do have this wig in a 1B, and just as the name suggests, this one is super long. It's a straight unit, so I'm excited to try this. I like to have wigs that are like ridiculously long. I'm pretty tall, so even super long wigs on me don't seem that ridiculously long. Like I can order virgin hair in like 28 inches and it doesn't seem that long on me. I'm 5'8". Well, I always say I'm 5'8", but I'm 5'7" and a half. I consider myself to be 5'8". Seems like as the years go on though, I feel like I get shorter. I don't know. It's probably my posture. But let's go ahead and look at the cap construction on this one. Looks like we have, yep, the closure in the middle, and it is a silk top. Some people don't like the silk top, but you can definitely just cut this silk film out and it'll just be a regular lace. This lace is a nice shade of brown. It's definitely brown. So for you ladies who may be fairer than me, it may be a little dark for you. The construction looks like it has 2 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. Me personally, I'm just going to attach these straps together so I have a little bit more security around my hairline. Let's see how the hairline is looking. The hairline is not looking super plucked. It's looking a little full. We don't have any baby hairs, so this would be a great one to go ahead and pull out your own baby hairs, which I have not really done just as yet, so we'll see. I may just pull out some baby hairs from the wig, but the wig is very long, so I may have to back up so I can show you guys the fullness, the full length of this wig, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and the tag, and I'm going to come right back and show you what it looks like. Well, this wig is definitely tight. If you have a larger size head, I would definitely not attach the straps together because it feels really tight with the straps attached together. So I would not suggest that. This wig is really thick and it's a little bit shiny for my taste. I feel like this wig looks a little synthetic. And sometimes that can happen with a wig that is very straight and in the color 1B. Also with this sort of a wig, this is probably going to be you know, a special occasion wig. This is not a wig I will pull out like for the club or somewhere where you're just going to be moving around a lot, walking around a lot. I would feel like this is a good wig to wear to like a nice quiet dinner party, somewhere where you are not going to be moving around a whole lot, because moving around, sweating, you know, a lot of abrasion and friction on this wig is just going to cause tangling. And when the wig, I'm trying to get this hair out. And when a wig is this long, you do not want to be doing a whole lot of moving around in it. I do like how this wig looks. It's really cute. For me, the hairline is definitely thick. So you're gonna wanna pull out your own baby hairs or create some baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and part this. I tend to do middle parts with my straight wigs. I feel like straight wigs look really good in the middle part. You're gonna have to be brushing this wig a lot. I wish I had gotten this wig in a number 2, to be quite honest. I think a 2 would do this wig justice. Would definitely do this wig justice in a number 2. Okay, so that's pretty much all I'm gonna do with this wig. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do with this wig. I am gonna stand up so you can see the full length of this wig, because that's pretty much the main thing about this wig is the length. So I'm gonna go ahead and back up so you can see. I just want to brush it out again. Okay, so that was my best friend calling. She's like, what are we doing? I'm kid free this weekend, so I'm like, let's do something, girl. You know, we gotta make the most of them when they're with their grandparents. Let's see. I'm going to add a little bit of powder into this part. Although it doesn't like super desperately need it. I'll just add it for good measure. I definitely think that it's cool to have this as a 4x4 closure, but I wouldn't see wearing it any other way than a middle part. So this is the length of the wig. So it's definitely gonna hit you. It's gonna hit you below the butt. Definitely below the butt. I like it. I like the length. I think the length is cute. I mean, it's long, but it's cute. And if you can manage it, I mean, I feel like you can always just, if you're out and about and it starts to get crazy, to just preserve your wig, especially the ends, from getting too matted and crazy, you could always throw it into a quick little ponytail. Just bring a ponytail holder with you. And you can braid this bad boy while you're out. And then, you know, you can let it loose whenever you get to where you're going, or if you want to take a picture or whatever, you can always just, you know, let it loose and, you know, just run a quick brush through it or just finger comb it, and you're pretty much good. This is Miss Rapunzel wig from the Stylist. Is she from the Stylist? Yeah. From the Stylist. I really like it. It's really cute. If I had it to do over again, I wouldn't get her in a 1B. I'd absolutely get her in a 2 to cut down on that shine. And I would definitely employ those tips to keep her from not getting too crazy while you're out and about. I would definitely bring a rubber band with you and braid her if you're going to be out and it's hot or you're sweating or you're just, you know, doing a lot of moving around. I would braid her and then release her when you're, you know, ready to go where you're getting to. I would also only wear her for special occasion, like for whatever it is that you want to wear her for, and then put her up. I wouldn't sleep in this wig. I wouldn't do anything crazy like, what is that? I wouldn't do anything crazy like that in this wig, but I really like her. So if you want to check her out on SAMSBEAUTY.com, I'll leave a link down below where you can check her out. And yeah, she's definitely cute. She's definitely cute. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
She wants to see my gypsy girl. She's something to myself. She wants to wine her. She She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick.